Hey there, everybody. I don't know what birdie's eating. I wanted to give you guys a look at what these amazing flowers look like before they bloom. So we had one bloom last night that I didn't even know about. We'll get you guys over there. And it's hard to tell how big these are, but they are huge. That's like 8 or 9 inches long from the base of that bloom out to the flower. And when it's fully open, they kind of shrink. They're called moonflowers because they bloom at night. The moths that pollinate them are only out at night. That's why they're white, so they attract the moths to the light. So what they do when they're about to bloom, and tonight is going to be a really good night. I'm excited. We watered this morning and it looks kind of strange. It looks like they're dying, but this is actually what they do before they bloom, is they'll start to kind of come out in that green young blossom. Like this one might, not that one. That one might be starting to come out, whereas this is what they look like closed. So we've got 1, 2, there's another closed one, 3, if you can make that out. And we have 4, 5. And those are all the ones I see that look like they're going to bloom tonight. So that's what they look like when they're going to bloom. Do not pull them. Do not deadhead them thinking you're making way for new flowers. That's what they look like before they bloom into that beautiful and amazing awesomeness. So my homework for today is going to be figuring out some kind of a night setup tripod situation. I'm looking down at the plant thinking about how I'm going to do this. I need to get a tripod set up with night settings on a camera. I've got an old DSLR that I'll try and get some night long exposure shots of these guys tonight, because tonight is going to be an awesome display of moonflowers. Update on, they're not moonflower vines. I get it. It's a different kind of plant. They bloom at night. We call them moonflowers. Some people call them devil's flowers, whatever you say. It doesn't matter. They're amazing and beautiful. And by the way, they're poisonous. Don't eat them. So anyway, hopefully I get a nice shot of this tonight and you will see what they do in all their glory in the evening.